Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're a fan of TJ Maxx and want to make your shopping even easier in 2025, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to add your TJ Maxx card to Apple Wallet. This feature is a game changer for quick rewards access and seamless payments using your iPhone. Let's dive in. First off, ensure your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS version for 2025. Head to Settings, General, Software Update, and install any available updates to avoid any hiccups. Once that's done, open the Wallet app. It's the one with the green wallet icon on your home screen. Step 1. Tap the plus button in the upper right corner to add a new card. This will bring up options for different types of cards. Step 2. Select Rewards Card or the category that best fits your TJ Maxx card. Apple Wallet has improved integrations, so it might directly recognize TJ Maxx if it's supported. Step 3. You'll be prompted to enter your card details. You can either scan the card using your iPhone's camera or manually input the information, like your card number and any required codes. Step 4. If needed, link your TJ Maxx account. This often involves opening the TJX Rewards app or verifying via email or text. Make sure you have your login details handy. Step 5. Review the details and tap Add to confirm. Your TJ Maxx card should now appear in your wallet, ready for use with Apple Pay at checkout. A quick tip. If you run into issues, double-check that your TJ Maxx card is active and your internet connection is stable. Also, ensure the TJX app is updated for the best experience. And there you have it. Your TJ Maxx card is now in Apple Wallet. This will save you time and make shopping more convenient. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit the bell icon for updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.